Jessica Candelaria. I'm a pilgrim from ECY Philippines too.
So how are you preparing for the walk? And what are your thoughts now?
Spiritually, I'm preparing for this a long time ago. Walking with the pilgrims, with the people of the same faith, of the same God, of the same community. But physically, I'm doing stretching. And I'm very happy with this holy walk.
So, how many kilometers is it na nga?
Now, from the Central Station, 9 kilometers. Before, it was 13, no? Kung Guaratiba. But now, sa Copacabana, 9 kilometers from the Central Station.
So, is your group parang preparing in a special way? Like, are there minors? Are there people with special conditions na you have to take special care of?
From the ECY Philippines too, we have no minors, but we also have young at heart. So we let the subgroup leaders decide as a subgroup if they want to stay overnight or to go home afterwards. So it really depends on them.